Sign up at the end of this review to get my personal gear list.
Tony here from Music Villa in Bozeman, Montana. Here today. I can barely talk because I'm excited about this guitar that I'm about to show you. It is a 00 custom Martin that we designed with a little twist. So we'll get to that in a little bit. But first, please don't forget to sign up for the acoustic letter. It is a great way to get a first-hand look at guitars like this. Get the prices, get the videos, get the photos, the whole deal, right to your email. So click the link below, sign up for the acoustic letter. Without further ado, let's get on to this extra special little treat we've got. You're probably looking at your little video screen and saying, wow, Tony grew a little bit bigger. That's not true. The guitar is small. It's a custom 00 Martin, which is a smaller size. And this guitar I'm very, very excited about. I'm very excited to show you. It's not suitable for all styles, but really, really good at a couple. What we have here is a 00 platform, smaller body size, 12 fret body neck joint, Madagascar rosewood fingerboard, Madagascar rosewood bridge with a through saddle made out of bone, also a bone nut. We have a Madagascar rosewood head plate with a very, very elegant abalone torch inlay with Waverly tuners, open gear on the back. And now I'm going to show you this, but you got to just sit in your chairs for a second because this is something that's really cool. A wonderful shaded amber tone Birdseye maple back, checkerboard back strip, and a laminate maple neck, which is not very common on Martin guitars, but something that we requested out of the custom shop, and they did it just beautifully. Bound throughout with koa binding, some wonderful inlays on the top. Not only is this guitar a great looker, but a great sounding instrument. We really did a good job on this one. So I encourage you to come on in and check it out. But for those of you who can't make it in, I'll play it a little for you so you can hear what it sounds like. This thing sounds really good. Interesting. Thanks for listening to our custom 00 Martin with that stunning maple back. Leave your questions or comments below. And again, don't forget to sign up for the acoustic letter. Thanks a lot.